linear polynomial. The general form of the linear polynomial is p of x is equals to. Actually, general form of the polynomial is what here? What is the general form of the polynomial? Any polynomial a n x power n, a n minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus and so on, a1 x, a0. This is general form. So I am saying linear polynomial degree 1. Degree 1 is nothing but these all will become 0. So only these two terms will be left over. That means it is not mandatory that you need to have the constant. Without a constant also we may have. So a1 x plus a0 is the general form. But we write that in the form of the coefficients. By changing the coefficients, we write it as ax plus b. We write it as ax plus b. And here compulsory the result should be a should not be equals to 0. So the example for this linear polynomial is 2x plus 3 or 3x minus 2, 4x plus 3, like that you can take. So this is first degree polynomial. Second degree polynomial is called as
quadratic polynomial.
Yes, very good. Quadratic polynomial. So we call it as a quadratic polynomial. The general form of the quadratic polynomial plus bh plus c, where a not equals to 0. I always used to say to you that this is mandatory. Most of the students will forget this one. This is mandatory. A not equals to 0 if you are not mentioning. अब a, b, c क्या होगा? A, b, c real numbers होगा. Real numbers में a can be 0. ये 0 हो गया तो ये quadratic नहीं होता है. So general form whenever you say compulsory you need to take the one tail. In mathematics, whenever you give the one statement or any general form, anything, you are going to have the one पूछ होता है. वो पूछ को बोलना नहीं. In the first chapter also I told you, Euclid division lemma whenever you take it to consider. What is the statement of Euclid division lemma means? You used to say that A is equals to BQ plus R, but that's all. Most of the members will say A equal to BQ plus R is a Euclid division lemma. Not only that, A is equals to BQ plus R. Can anyone tell? Do you remember? Euclid division lemma. Can you hear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A is equals to BQ plus R usually we say. But A is equals to BQ plus R may A should, whenever you take that, A should be greater than B and B compulsory here, R is should lies between 0 and Q. These things compulsory you need to mention that 0 less than R equals to condition hota hai na, that condition should be mentioned. So like that, not only there, everywhere, here the condition is what? A not equals to 0. The general form is that one, and the example you can take the 2x square plus 3x plus 5. And some of you may get, oh sir, you are taking only x only. Can we take any other than x? Yes, we can take. If you are, generally we use the variable x more, that's why it is mentioned like that. 3, it is called as cubic polynomial. It is called as cubic polynomial. The general form of the cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a not equals to 0. So example you can give it. So by giving example, you can write 3x cube, simply 3x cube. That is only the example. Can we give? Can we give like that?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
See, जनरल फॉर्म में सब कुछ होता है, ये सभी 0 हो गया है, ये क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल क्यों नहीं होगा? क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल होने के लिए हमको एग्जैक्टली वी नीड टू हैव एक्स क्यूब होना है, और एक्स क्यूब का कोएफिशिएंट 0 नहीं होना है, और एक्स क्यूब से ज्यादा बड़ा नंबर नहीं होना, मींस क्यूब से मींस नंबर 3 से बड़ा नंबर नहीं होना है. छोटा नंबर हो सकता है, नहीं हो सकता है. There is a two possibilities are there. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So now, fourth degree polynomial is
Yes, sir.
biquadratic. Fourth degree polynomial we call it as a biquadratic polynomial. Sir, fifth degree polynomial what do we call? You can write here. Fifth degree polynomial what do we call? Normally, from the 5 onwards, we
Multinomial.
used to call the polynomials as a 5th degree polynomial, 6th degree polynomial, number we will mention. And do remember here, whenever we write the general form, ax plus b, ax square plus bx plus c, ax cube plus bx plus, like this we will write. Suppose if I ask you 26th degree polynomial like this, you say. Means what you will say? 26th degree polynomial if I ask you. Ax power
Sir,
26,
multinomial.
bx power 25, cx power 24. Like that you are going on saying all the alphabets of the English alphabet. But wherever x comes again, x you are going to get. So to avoid such type of the situation only, the general form of the nth degree polynomial is given to you. Suppose मैं 26 बोला है तो 26 बोलेगा, 26 alphabets आए, ठीक? ये 4th degree बोले तो A B C D 4 आया, 26 बोले तो 26 लेटर्स आ जाएगा. सपोज मैंने 100 डिग्री पॉलिनोमियल लिखने के लिए बोल दिया तो अब क्या करेगा? 100 इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट्स तो नहीं है. सो दैट्स व्हाई instead of the English alphabet, the general form whenever you take, see here, you take here coefficient as a A100. Can you see if I write here? This A100 is visible to you. Hello? Is it visible?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
ये 100 x पावर 100. अब ये 99, ये क्या है? ये 100, ये की जैसा. ये 99 क्या है? ये b की जैसा. Coefficients. We call this A, B, C, D, and A, B, C, and this A, B are called coefficients. Here, this A n minus 1, A1, A0 are called coefficients. What do we call? Coefficients. So this is about the quadratic types of the polynomials. Now let us move into the original topic which is present to you. So the main point you need to remember here that degree of the zero polynomial is undefined. So note this point, the main point is degree of the zero polynomial. So when do we call this polynomial as a zero polynomial? Can anyone say?
Sir, when the value of n is 0.
All these are zero हो गया. All the coefficients are zeros. Then that polynomial is called zero polynomial. P of x is equals to 0x power n. So completely all zeros you get. P of x equal to 0. So this is called a zero polynomial whose degree is undefined. Its degree is undefined. It is not defined. Why it is not defined? Degree is defined in such a way that if the coefficient is not 0, then the degree is defined. All the coefficients are zeros, then that's why degree is not defined. Okay? Is it clear? So okay. So now here, zero polynomial is different from zero of the polynomial. Polynomial का zero है. Zero of polynomial. Zero of the polynomial. Before going to learn zero of the polynomial, value of the polynomial you need to know. Sorry. Okay? Value of polynomial. What do we call? Value of polynomial. Suppose मेरे p of x is equals to 2x plus 3 दे दिया आपको. p of x is equals to 2x plus 3 given to you. So what is the value of this polynomial? If x is equals to 5. x का place में 5 substitute करना है. So value of this polynomial at x equals to 5 is written as p of 5. 2 into 5 plus 3, which is equals to 13. Which is equals to 13. So 13 is the value of this polynomial. Directly value right? Value at x is equals to 5. So at x is equals to 5 will be written as p of 5. At x is equals to 5 will be written as p of 5. Okay? So this is called value of the polynomial. Suppose if the value of the polynomial is 0, value became 0. Suppose its value became 0. अब value क्या हो गया है? अभी 5 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया तो 13 आया ना? ऐसा value if you get it as a 0, then that whatever the number you are substituting, that is called 0 of the polynomial. It is called as 0 of the polynomial. So suppose if I substitute here p of x का place में I am substituting minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 substitute करना. So 2 into minus 3 by 2 plus 3. 2 will get cancelled. Minus 3 plus 3 you will get, which is equals to 0. Okay. See here. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Whenever you find the 0 of the polynomial, here we are going to have the zeros of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. ये नंबर है ना, ये नंबर को इस पॉलिनोमियल को 0 बोलते हैं. ये नंबर, दिस नंबर इज 0. अरे ये नंबर 0 कैसे होता है सर? नंबर डायरेक्टली 0 नहीं होगा. ये नंबर इस पॉलिनोमियल का 0 होगा. 0 ऑफ दिस पॉलिनोमियल. That's why see here, 0 of the polynomial is completely different from 0 of the polynomial is completely different from the 0 polynomial. Why you people are joining? You are not joining our Mansi. See here, while you are joining the account, whenever it asks to you Gmail account, you select the ये वो s.1883 वाला account select कर दीजिए. Sometimes it is shifting. So, okay, whatever it may be. So now here, did you understand what is meant by 0 of the polynomial? Value, whenever what number substituting means it becomes 0, then it is called the 0 of the polynomial. So here, I will give the definition of the 0 of the polynomial. I will write on the board here. 0 of polynomial. If p of x is a any polynomial, okay, and a is belongs to the real numbers, sorry, belongs to, if I write, you will get confused. Small a is any real number. Real number को पता है ना? First of the real numbers. Any real number, then a is called 0 of p of x if p of a is equals to 0. वो नंबर को 0 बोलता है. वो नंबर सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लिया तो आंसर 0 आ गया तो ये नंबर को 0 बोलता है. a is called 0 of the polynomial. So how do we find out the zeros of the polynomial? How do we find out the zeros of a polynomial? We will learn it. Okay. And here if you see that based on the 0 of the polynomial, so can you tell me the zeros if you consider that? Very interesting point I am going to say to you now. If you take the any constant polynomial, non-zero constant polynomial, can anyone tell me that what is the 0 of this polynomial? Can anyone tell me what is the 0 of this polynomial?
Sir, -5.
0, sir.
P of x 5 का
0, sir. 0. Sir, 0.
Sir, 0, 0.
Sir, 0. Sir, minus 5. Sir, 0.
Sir, -5 तो sir, -5.
Sir, minus.
Sir, 0.
Sir, 0 होगा.
0, sir.
No, 0. Okay, 0 कैसे होगा? Can you tell me what is P of 0?
0,
P
sir.
of x is 5.
0.
Then P of 0 क्या है?
Sir, 5 into 0 raised to the power 0. 0. 5 into 0 raised to the power 0.
P of x equal to 5. Then P of 0 क्या होगा?
5 into 0 raised to the power 0.
ये क्या है पता है? 5. What is the degree of this polynomial?
Sir, 0.
इसका डिग्री क्या है?
0.
इसका डिग्री 0 है. क्यों 0 है? ये क्या है पता है? 5 into x power 0. I have given to you one hint to you. Can you tell me that what is P of 3? Suppose P of 2 क्या है?
Sir, P of 2, sir.
10.
5.
5 into
2 raised to the power 0.
2 power 0 value
1.
1. So
5 sir 5.
5 आ गया. P of 8 क्या होगा?
5.
5 ही होगा. P of 2020
5.
5
Sir
5.
5.
हाँ,
Sir
5
5.
होगा. P of minus 15
5.
5.
Sir
5.
5.
वो भी 5 होगा. वो भी 5 होगा. अब ये नहीं नंबर सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, आपको 5 आ रहा है. हमको क्या चाहिए?
0.
0 चाहिए. 0 आएगा
नहीं आएगा सर.
सपोज 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं. आप किसी ने बोला है 0 होगा सर बोल के. ओके 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. इधर 0 लिखो. 5 into 0 power 0. 0 power 0 is called what? You know,
5.
What sir?
it is indeterminate.
Means
call
what?
the 0 power 0 as a indeterminate. We cannot determine it. We cannot find it. So वो भी 0 नहीं है. ये कुछ नंबर नहीं आएगा. ये इंडिटरमिनेट फॉर्म बोलते हैं इसको. तो कुछ भी नंबर नहीं. ये 5 भी नहीं आएगा, ये 0 भी नहीं आएगा. तो ये इंडिटरमिनेट बोलते हैं. तो हमको 0 नहीं आ रहा है, किसी तरह 0 नहीं आ रहा है. तो इसका
No zeros.
ले लेना. ये नॉन जीरो कांस्टेंट वाला है ना. इसका 0 क्या होगा ना? देयर इज नो जीरोस फॉर द नॉन जीरो कांस्टेंट फॉर्म. समझ में आया?
Yes sir.
समझ में आया? There are no zeros for the non-zero constant polynomial. Non-zero constant polynomial का zeros नहीं है. Okay? Clear? Is anyone have doubt? Can you hear me? Arey yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
You are-
sir.
Okay, you are saying, but you are not understanding. You are not convincing this. Did you understand?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes
Okay,
sir.
good. एक पॉइंट तो हमको आया है. Zero of the non-zero constant polynomial is no zero. No zeros are there. Undefined भी नहीं बोलना है, कुछ भी नहीं बोलना है. There are no zeros. No zeros are there. Okay. Now what about the zeros of the constant polynomial दे दिया ना? ये क्या है polynomial?
Sir 0 polynomial.
ये जीरो पर. इसका जीरो क्या होगा?
Sir all real numbers.
हाँ?
All real numbers.
Very good. Because ये क्या है ना? P of x 0 means P of 2 क्या होगा? वो भी 0 होगा.
0.
P of 3 क्या होगा?
0.
0.
0.
P of 2020 क्या होगा? 0 होगा.
0.
0.
0 sir.
ये नंबर सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. 0 आ रहे, ये भी सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. 0 आ रहे, ये भी सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. 0 आ रहे, कुछ भी सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, 0 आ रहा. So all the real numbers, any number you substitute, you are going to get the 0. So that's why you can say that all the real numbers are zeros of the zero polynomial. So now I am going to give you the conclusion on about these two polynomials: non-zero constant polynomial, non-zero constant polynomial, and zero polynomial. ये दोनों का बारे में थोड़ा सा क्लियरली डिस्कस करना है. इस दोनों का डिग्री क्या है देखते हैं. ये दोनों का जीरोस क्या है देखते हैं. तो नॉन जीरो कांस्टेंट पॉलीनोमियल का डिग्री क्या है?
0.
ना रे, 0 होगा.
Constant.
0 होगा सर. 0 होगा.
सम्राट चुप. मैं कभी कभी बोलता हूँ ना ऐसा डरने के लिए. अभी सीख लिया. यस नॉन जीरो. आपका दिमाग में क्या आना है ना, सिंपली आपका दिमाग में क्या आना है. नॉन जीरो कांस्टेंट पॉलीनोमियल बोले तो वो 5 है, नंबर 5 बोला है. सो 5 बोले तो 5 into x power 0 है. 5 into x power 0 बोले तो ओहो x power 0 ये तो 0 degree is 0. The highest power is 0. Then what about the zeros? No zeros. Non-zero constant polynomial का zeros नहीं है. Okay. Zero polynomial का डिग्री क्या है? It is undefined. जीरो पॉलिनोमियल का डिग्री इज अनडिफाइंड, डिफाइन ही नहीं है जीरो पॉलिनोमियल। जीरो पॉलिनोमियल का जीरोस क्या होता है? रियल नंबर्स।
Real number.
Maybe this is the inner polynomials, very important. And here I have observing that some of the students are simply holding their phone in the hand and laying on the bed. I think so. If I show your, if I ask you to show your video, then I'll find out that most of you are simply आराम से बेड पे बैठ के ऐसा फोन देखते हैं। आप लोग मूवी नहीं देख रहे, थोड़ा सा नोटबुक पास में रख दीजिए एंड बोर्ड में मैं क्या लिख रहा हूँ नोट कर दीजिए। ओके, so I think some of you are noting down. It's very good, but if not, because I have observed these things usually in the online classes, that's why you people are not showing your video, and no need to show your video also. But I am request you that please keep your notebook and note down some points, and the video will be shared to you afterwards also. Okay, so and you can review the class again. Okay, this is the thing here. So we have learned this point. Please note down everyone. आपके पास कुछ नोट्स? हाँ, दिखा ही दिया। कोई कौन है ये दिखा दिया? नम्रता, गुड। नोट्स में लिख रहा हूँ बोल के दिखा दिया। Very good. I think all of you are no need to show that you are noting down in the notebook, but you note down. This is very important note point. Very important point in the polynomials. Even some of the students, those who are studying in 12th class also, if you are asking, they will not say. Please, I request you to note down this and go on revising this point every time, because in the polynomials the main thing most of the students will get confused is this one. Okay, so now we are going to learn the geometrical meaning of the zeros of the polynomial. Okay, geometrical meaning is nothing but whenever we represent the polynomial on a graph, how the graph will be there. Geometrical meaning go with so graph, how it shows to you. By observing the graph only, you can say that polynomial is whether it is a second degree polynomial, a third degree polynomial, that means cubic polynomial or a quadratic polynomial, which type of the polynomial, how many zeros will be there for that polynomial. So every polynomial when you represent on a graph में represent कर लिया तो एक तरह curve आ जाते हैं, curve or straight line like that you are going to get. But by observing that you can say that, just as an example I will tell you one thing here. Okay, how do we represent on a graph? Let us see. One polynomial, let us take into consideration. I am taking the polynomial p of x is equals to x plus 2. X plus 2 graph में represent करो बोल के बोला मैंने. So how do you represent? Do you know? X का place
Zeros
कुछ भी नंबर ले लो. Sum. What is p of x you are getting? That is y coordinate. Suppose if I take 0, 0 इधर ले लो. इधर क्या आ जाएगा? 2 आ जाएगा. If I take 2, if I take 5, इधर 5 ले लिया, तो पूरा पॉलिनोमियल वैल्यू क्या होगा? 7 होगा. समझ में आ रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
0 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लिए तो 2 आ जाएगा, 5 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर 7 आ जाएगा. Like that कुछ numbers you go on substituting some number. I have substituted -2. इसमें -2 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया, 0 आ गया. So what is the zero of this polynomial? Can you tell what is the zero of this polynomial?
Sir, -2.
-2. प्लेस में 0 आ रहा है. -2 का प्लेस में 0 आ रहा है. तो इसका ग्राफ कैसे होगा देखो. ये कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री you have learned in the 9th class, isn't it? I made you to sit on the ground and coordinates क्या है वो सब पूरा मैंने सिखाया, याद है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हम ग्राउंड में
Yes, sir.
किया है ना.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, एक गेम खेला है, गेम के जैसा हम लोग सीखे कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री. सो पॉइंट्स हम लोग प्लॉट करना है. 0,2 किधर होगा? x 0 है, y कोऑर्डिनेट, x कोऑर्डिनेट 0 मींस y कोऑर्डिनेट नहीं. सपोज इधर 1 है, इधर 2 है, ये 0,2 होगा. 3 4 5 6 7, इधर 1 2 3 4 5 6. Suppose let's say next point is 5, 7. 5 comma 7 will be there here. Minus 2 comma 0. Minus 2 comma 0 will be here. ये तीनों को ज्वाइन करो. ये तीनों को ज्वाइन करो. क्या आ गया है? एक स्ट्रेट लाइन आ गया. तो ये स्ट्रेट लाइन को ऑब्जर्व करो. ये एक्स एक्सिस को किधर टच हो रहा है? एक ही जगह में टच हो रहा है. एक जगह में टच हो रहा है. तो ये एक जगह में टच हो रहा है तो इसका डिग्री 1 है. Suppose if any polynomial is touching the x-axis at one point, किधर टच हो रहे वो 0 होगा. ये -2 है ना, -2 0 होगा. This is called geometrical meaning of the 0 of the polynomial. आप ग्राफ देख के ही ऐसा बता सकते हैं वो क्या है. ये लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल है ना, इसके लिए आपको स्ट्रेट लाइन आया है. आप क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल ले लो. Quadratic polynomial if you are taking, then quadratic polynomial you are going to get it as a parabola you are going to get. Okay, I'll give you some graphs to you. By observing that graph, how many zeros that polynomial is having, you need to see. See here, linear. ये ऐसा आया तो ये क्या है? Linear polynomial. Okay, इसका जीरो क्या हो सकता है approximately बोलो. क्या रहेगा?
1.
हाँ?
1 0 sir. It is cutting the x-axis at only one point.
Only 1.10 will be there, and that 0 will be positive number because approximately it may be any number. Okay, इसका 0 क्या है? Only one 0 is there, and that is. And suppose this is linear polynomial. Suppose if you are taking a quadratic polynomial, ये quadratic polynomial ऐसा हो सकता है. Suppose here I have given to you the point as a -3. Here I have given to you the point as a 5. So what are the zeros of this polynomial?
Sir, 2.
2
5.
zeros are there. One is -3, another one is 5. One is -3, another one is 5. X-axis को किधर टच हो रहे? तो ये क्या होगा? 2 zeros बोले तो 2 zeros are there means quadratic polynomial हो सकता है. And one more thing that it is not mandatory that a quadratic polynomial will have the exactly 2 zeros. It is going to have the at most 2 zeros. Maximum 2 zeros होता है. 2 से कम भी हो सकता है. Suppose if I take the graph like this, इधर एक ही जगह में टच होके ऐसा आ रहा है. ये पॉइंट -3 हो गया. ये क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल है. सर इसका 0 एक ही है ना? इस क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल का 0 एक भी हो सकता है. आप लोग मैंने कैसे फर्स्ट वन बोला है वैसे घर पे चेक कर लो. ग्राफ ड्रा करो. मैंने 3 पॉलिनोमियल्स आई एम गिविंग टू यू एज अ होमवर्क. 3 पॉलिनोमियल्स आई गिव यू. ये तीनों का पॉलिनोमियल का ग्राफ ड्रा करो व्हिच यू हैव लर्नड इन 9th क्लास. 9th क्लास में ग्राफ कैसे ड्रा करना है सीख लिया है और अभी भी बोल दिया मैंने. सो 3 पॉलिनोमियल्स आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू. वन इज x² प्लस 2x प्लस 1. This is one polynomial. Another polynomial is x² plus 3x plus 2. Another polynomial is x² plus 2. अब तीनों तरह आते हैं आपको. मैं एग्जैक्टली नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. ये क्या है ना? x plus 1 होल स्क्वायर है ना? तो ये कैसे आते हैं पता है आपको? ग्राफ कैसे ड्रा करते हैं? Do you know how do we draw the graph? x value substitute और p of x हम आया. सपोज एक में शो कर. सपोज ये वाला मैं दिखा रहा हूं. x यू हैव टेकन 0. x² plus 2 क्या होगा? 2 होगा. x यू हैव टेकन 1. x² plus 2 क्या होगा? 1² plus 2 3 होगा. x यू हैव टेकन 2. x² plus 2 क्या होगा? 2² is 4. 4 plus 2 6. So don't take only this x coordinate. You can take the any value. So little bit दूर ले लीजिए. ये पॉइंट्स आप ग्राफ में प्लॉट कर लो. So 0, 2 0 x 0, 2 will be here. 1, 3 will be here approximately, and 2, 6 will be here. So it is going to get like this. ये ग्राफ देखो x एक्सिस को टच हो रहा है?
No sir.
इसका 0 क्या होगा ना? No zeros. There is no real numbers are there. एक क्या सर? एक क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल है ना? क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल को 2 zeros होना है ना? नो. क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल को 2 zeros पक्का एग्जैक्टली नहीं है, मैक्सिमम 2 जीरोस होना है एट मोस्ट। तो जीरोस देखो, इसमें नो जीरोस आएगा, इसमें 2 जीरोस आएगा, इसमें एक ही जीरो आ जाएगा। ऐसा वाला क्वेश्चन मैंने प्रिंट करके आपको दे दिया है। समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And you variation you find out. So graph को आप ऐसा हो गया, suppose how many zeros are there for this polynomial?
Sir, 3.
3.
3.
3.5.
3.
Cubic.
मैंने इधर आके ऐसा मोड़ लिया, ये दोबारा ऊपर जा सकता है, तब 4 पॉलिनॉमियल्स होता है। अब मैंने ऐसा ही छोड़ दिया है तो ये ऐसे ही जाएगा, थोड़ा सा कर्व करके मैंने छोड़ दिया है, बट नॉर्मली ऐसा नहीं देगा आपको, ऐसा वाला क्वेश्चन नहीं दे देगा ऊपर है। अभी कितना जीरो है इसका? 4 जीरो, 4 zeros होता है। So this is a thing. How do you identify the zeros of the polynomial? How do you identify the zeros of the polynomial? So in the next class we are going to learn the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. Coefficients का and zeros का coefficients and ये दोनों का relationship सीखते हैं. This is the geometrical meaning of the zeros of the polynomial. And if you have any doubt in this class, then you can ask. Do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
No. No.
No, sir.
Did you understand?
No,
See
sir.
here, please, I request you to share you even textbook. If you are not having in a PDF format, I have shared you. And think that, and you people are thinking that class is nothing but only video class नहीं होगा। कभी कभी मैंने डायरेक्टली सपोज एक कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर कर लिया है, कुछ असाइनमेंट दे दिया है, वो भी क्लास हो सकता है। ऑलवेज डोंट थिंक दैट दिस लाइक वीडियो क्लासेस होगा, मीन्स दिस इज अ लाइव क्लास, मीन्स थ्रू द गूगल मीट है। सभी क्लासेस इससे नहीं, गूगल क्लासरूम है ना, गूगल क्लासरूम में मैं कुछ असाइनमेंट भी दे सकता हूँ, आप लोग असाइनमेंट को सबमिट भी कर सकते हैं। Okay, so that also can be the class, do remember that. Okay, and still if you are having, some of you are joining, Yeshika, can you speak?
Yes, sir.
Is there any problem to you, connecting problem?
Yes, sir.
Network problem is there to you?
No, sir.
Oh, did you listen the class properly? Vishal Das has left.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next class, what do you have?
Sir, chemistry.
Chemistry.
10:45 हो ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Suraj, Soham, very good strength is there. Nabanita, Modipa, Mansi, Rahul, Himani, Pallab, Purnapama, Samrat. Good. Mostly everyone has come. Thanks for joining and do the work.